Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve another question from the biology paper number 3, A levels. And the question is explain the roles of the Golgi apparatus and the lysosomes in the cell. So this is very important question which frequently come in the paper. So concentrate yourself. So this question requires a detailed explanation of the roles of the Golgi apparatus and the lysosomes. Drawings are optional. So if drawing is necessary, then you will draw it. Otherwise, in this question, this is not necessary. And the thing which should be mentioned in explaining this question is it is to be stressed that lysosomes are vesicles that contain the enzymes for digested indigested material and not just for releasing its contents. So lysosomes are very important for digesting the indigested material. Golgi apparatus is composed of a series of the parallel membranes. So membranes are placed like this, parallel, that enclosed flattened fluid-filled spaces. So spaces are there between the parallel membranes, and these spaces between them is called cisternae. The cisternae are often slightly curved, making entire structure appear concave. So concave figure is like this one, in which at least one of the internal angle is more than 180 degree. So almost these kind of the figures they make. The role of the Golgi apparatus is in number one, the manufacture of the glycoproteins which are required in the secretion. So in the process of excretion, the role of the Golgi is very important because they manufacture the glycoprotein. Number two, in the production of the secretory enzymes. So this is the second important function of the Golgi apparatus. So because they play a very important role in the production of the secretory enzymes, which are important. Number three is the secretion of the carbohydrates. For example, those involved in the manufacture of the new cells. So this is the third very important function of the Golgi apparatus because they play a very important role in the secretion of the carbohydrates, and which are actually responsible and important in the manufacture of the new cells, because in case of dying of the old cells, new cells are required. Number fourth important function is the transport and the storage of the lipids. So they not only transport them but also act as a storehouse for the lipids. And number four is the formation of the lysosomes, which you have studied that these are very important in digestion of the indigested food. Now we are going to read the lysosomes. The function of the lysosomes are number one, to contain enzymes capable of digesting a variety of the substances. So lysosomes are very important in the process of the digestion of the indigested material. Number two is to digest cytoplasmic organelles and other membranes, allowing the cell to remodel and to replace all old organelles. So actually these are very important in the remodeling of the cell and replacing the old organelles. And number three, very important function of the lysosome is to act as the suicide bags, which help to rapidly digest entire cells. So whatever the cells which are actually becoming old, so these are responsible for digesting the entire old cells. And as such, lysosomes have a positive effect in rejuvenating role in the biology of the organisms. So this was the question, students. Thank you so much.